Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage dual SIM settings on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna grab our phone. Once we grab our phone, here at the bottom we got the SIM tray. We want to use the SIM tray opener and press it on the inside, right inside dot here. Now we're simply gonna push it right here, and let me just put the phone away for now. Here we have our SIM tray. As you guys can see, it says SIM 1 and on the bottom it says SIM 2. So now we're simply gonna put the SIM 2, for example. We want to make sure that it matches the design. Now it is matching the first one. Now the next one, we're simply gonna rotate it so that we see the chips right here and that the infos about the card are hidden. Now you want to make sure that it's flat. If it's not, you can just push it in. It's pretty normal. And now once we do that, we're gonna hold it and put it inside our phone. So we want to put the camera down like this so that there's everything on the left side so that it matches with our opener here. And now make sure that it's flat, and you should see two cards in the settings. So I'll quickly show you how to easily manage the SIM cards. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings, and the first one will be the My Phone, but we're going to click the second one, SIM and Network Settings. Once you click here, you can see that we have two cards available, and you can choose the mobile data from which card. I'm going to choose the first one, and SMS from the second one. Also the calls, you can select both or the second one, first one. You have data and security. So here you have the pseudo base station interception. Here you can ensure the network safety, and also harassment filter. Here you can easily just block numbers not in contacts, block unknown or hidden numbers. You can blacklist them, and family and friends private numbers. You can allow the calls from them, and also the data settings and data usage, so you can see that you can notice your internet consumption from your data. And that's basically how you guys can manage dual SIM on your TECNO. So as you guys can see, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.